Hello and welcome to Creative Spreadsheets. Today we're going to talk about customizing the ribbon in Excel. So this is the basic ribbon that comes as standard with the various tabs and buttons grouped on each tab. But you can also add your own tabs to this or customize the ones that are already there. If we go to File and then Options and then Customize Ribbon, you'll see a list of the tabs as they are now, and you can change the order of them or move buttons on or off each of the tabs, or you can create your own personalized tabs. So I've just done a couple here to use as examples today. So I'll just add those, and you'll see now I've now got an extra tab called My Macros, one at the end here called Lab Macros. So first of all, My Macros. So what I've got here is buttons that I use regularly, but they're all found on different tabs, and sometimes maybe I can't remember which tab it's on and I spend time looking for it to try and find the right one. So all I've done instead is I put them all on my own tab, and then I know exactly where to find them quickly. The next section here is personal macros that I've added that help me with the things that I do regularly. So for example, we have one here, Unhide Sheets. In this workbook I've got 3 hidden sheets. If I want to unhide them, I'd right click unhide, but I can only select them one at a time. I can't unhide them all at the same time. So if I've got lots of sheets to unhide, it can become a little time consuming. But here I've just got a simple button which will just unhide all my sheets for me in one go. Similarly, insert rows. It's fine if you're just inserting 1 or 2 rows to right click and insert. But if you're wanting to insert a lot of rows or like a large number at one time, I've got my button here and it'll ask me how many rows I want to insert. I just type in the number and then it inserts them for me. So these ones are general things that I can use on any sheet, and they just make my life easier. So the last tab that I've got to show you works on a specific sheet. So it's written for this particular sheet here. This is a lab with elements that are analysed from samples, but each machine analyses different elements. So the particular machine that has just been used has analysed all the elements that are highlighted here in blue. So I can fill it in manually by tabbing between the columns, jumping these columns that I don't want to fill in. But when I've got lots to do, that can become time consuming and also leads to inaccuracy if I don't quite get it in the right cell. What I can do instead is if I select which ID I want to enter for, this button here is linked to a little user form and I can fill these in myself. I can simply tab along for all the elements that I've analysed, submit, and it will just fill in for those particular ones. So that's just a way of making something simple that you can add to your ribbon that helps you be more efficient in the work that you do. So it's personalised to a particular sheet. So I hope this gives you some ideas of the kind of thing you can do to make Excel work with you more efficiently and help you in doing those repetitive tasks. Thanks for watching.